So now that you've consented to the YMCA cycle test, you took the PAR-Q, correct?
Yeah.
And what were your results on that?
They were all negative.
Wonderful. I got your resting data, your heart rate, and your blood pressure. We are ready to start this test now. We're going to start you off at 0.5 kilograms. At 1 minute and 30 seconds, I'm going to take your heart rate, and then we do the same thing again at 2 minutes, 30 seconds, 3 minutes, 30 seconds. And at 2 minutes, I will take your blood pressure, and we're going to do that for one stage. At the next stage, I will set you to the next workload based off what your heart rate is. Take your blood pressure again, and then we'll do stage 3 and 4 if we have to, but they are optional, so we'll see how we're doing at that time. This test serves to test your cardiovascular fitness, the efficiency of your heart, if you will, based off your VO2 max, which we will be testing. And you're going to want to keep your cycling speed at about 50 RPMs throughout the test. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. What's your heart rate?
90.
90. Alright. Now I'm going to take your blood pressure. At 2 minutes and 30 seconds, we have a heart rate of
86.
86. At 3 minutes and 30 seconds, your heart rate is
89.
89. Now, what would you say your perceived rate of exertion is?
1.
Your heart rate is between 80 and 89, so we're going to raise you up to 2 kilograms of resistance. So it's been 1 minute 30 seconds. Your heart rate is
133.
Alright, it's been another minute, and your heart rate is
142.
And you can give me your final heart rate. 146. What is your rate of perceived exertion?
I'm going to say it's about a 3.
About a 3. Alright. Well, you're at a steady heart rate, so that means we can stop the test. And you can stop pedaling. Good job. Here I have your results. Here we can see that we marked down on the data sheet your heart rate, blood pressure at the correct intervals, your rate of perceived exertion. Now we come over here and we can see that we've plotted the data. Here's your max heart rate on stage 1. This point right here is your max heart rate on stage 2. And we drew a line, and these are at this is your workload for the first stage, workload for the second stage. That's why they're there. And then we drew a line here horizontally for your max heart rate, which is 220 minus your age, making it 199. So then where they intersect, we drop down here to get to this point where we see that your max O2 uptake in liters per minute is about 2.4. And then here is your max O2 uptake in milliliters per kg. So this is kilograms. This is for the entire test, your max, or your oxygen uptake. And so from this number here, we can multiply that by 1,000 to get to milliliters, as we've done here. Divide it by your weight to get to your VO2 max, which is 39.75 milliliters per kg per minute. Now that is going to put you in the average range in percentile.